I'm so glad you're here. My name is Luna. Welcome to Minimal Earth Life. In today's fast-paced digital age, we are constantly bombarded with information and distractions. Our phones buzz with notifications, our inboxes overflow with emails, and social media feeds seem endless. But amidst this digital chaos, there is a growing need for balance. Enter digital decluttering, a transformative approach to simplifying and streamlining our online experiences. If you stay till the end, I'll share how to protect your decluttered feed from spammers and trolls. So let's embark on a journey to reclaim our digital lives by decluttering our phones, email inboxes, and social media presence. Why digital decluttering matters. Before diving into practical tips, it's crucial to understand why digital decluttering matters. The digital age has brought convenience and connectivity to our fingertips. However, this abundance of technology and information comes at a cost. Our attention spans have become fragmented. We are constantly interrupted by notifications, emails, and messages, which can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress levels. A cluttered digital life can have a profound impact on our mental well-being. The constant pressure to stay connected and the fear of missing out FOMO can contribute to anxiety and burnout. Moreover, a disorganized digital environment can be a source of frustration and wasted time. Finding information, managing multiple accounts, and sorting through clutter become time-consuming tasks that detract from our overall well-being. The benefits of a decluttered digital experience are numerous. By minimizing distractions and organizing our online spaces, we can reduce stress and improve our focus. Additionally, decluttering our digital life allows us to reclaim our time and invest it in the things that matter most to us. Phone overload, taking control of your mobile ecosystem. Our phones are the portals to our digital lives. To declutter our mobile ecosystem, start by sorting through your apps. Remove any applications that you no longer use or have duplicates of. An easy way to identify these is by looking at apps you haven't opened in the last 30 days. You can also organize your home screen by creating folders for frequently used apps and moving less essential apps to a separate page. This creates a streamlined layout that promotes focus. Additionally, turn off unnecessary notifications and sounds to minimize distractions and create a more peaceful digital experience. Email overload. Taming your inbox. A cluttered inbox can be a major source of stress. To tame your inbox, unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters and promotional emails. Use the unsubscribe option provided in the emails or use an email management service. Create folders for different categories of emails to keep your inbox organized and easily accessible. Utilize email filters and automation to sort incoming emails into the appropriate folders. Set aside time each day to process your emails rather than constantly checking your inbox. This allows you to address important emails promptly while avoiding the urge to open and read non-urgent emails as they come in. Social media detox. Reclaiming your time. Social media, while highly engaging, can quickly consume our time and energy. To reclaim your time from social media, curate your feeds by unfollowing accounts that contribute to stress, negativity, or don't provide value to your life. Set time limits for social media use by utilizing the built-in time management features on your phone. These features allow you to track and limit the amount of time spent on social media platforms. Engage in mindful scrolling. When you do use social media, be intentional about the content you consume. Focus on following accounts that inspire, educate, or bring positivity to your feed. Building a sustainable digital lifestyle. Creating a sustainable digital lifestyle is about finding balance and setting boundaries. It is essential to regularly declutter and review your digital spaces to ensure they continue to serve your needs and values. Set aside dedicated time each week to declutter your phone, organize your inbox, and review your social media feeds. This consistent effort ensures that your digital life remains manageable and contributes to your overall well-being. Share your own tips and strategies for maintaining a healthy digital life in the comments below. Your experiences and insights may help others who are also on their own digital decluttering journey. In conclusion, digital decluttering is not just about tidying up our online spaces. It is about taking control of our digital lives and creating an online experience that enhances rather than detracts from our well-being. By decluttering our phones, email inboxes, and social media presence, we can minimize distractions, reduce stress, and reclaim our time and attention. In a world where technology constantly pulls at our attention, it's essential to establish boundaries, take regular digital breaks, and prioritize activities that bring us joy and fulfillment offline. Embracing a decluttered digital lifestyle can be a transformative journey, and the benefits extend beyond a cleaner digital space. It's an investment in our mental health, productivity, and overall quality of life. So let us embark on this journey, one decluttered inbox, one organized desktop, and one mindful scroll at a time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share for more tech tips. Until next time, happy decluttering!